अरे अरे अरे, कहाँ चली? What? Have you applied your sunscreen before stepping out? No! Oh, very bad. Come on in and apply your sunscreen first. Then all works and musties. Hey my angels, welcome and swagatam to the brand new video of Beauty Health Binge. Hope you girls are doing well and enjoying the life to the fullest. I never step out of my home without applying sunscreen, no matter how busy I am, no matter what the season is. Do you know why? Because with the power of protecting skin damage, sunburn, and also skin cancer, using a sunscreen lotion daily will significantly slows skin aging. Since then, I am obsessed with it and started buying kinds of sunscreen lotions too. It's been long time using Neutrogena sunscreen lotion. So my search started for something else and I found one brand, Reequil. Never used any of its products before, but this brand have become pretty popular within few days and its sunscreen is one of such popular product for sure. So friends, today I am going to share my review on my latest favorite Reequil Oxybenzone and OMC Free Sunscreen Lotion. Let's start the review with packaging part. So friends, with an outer packaging of a regular boxing having all the details on it, it comes in a squeezable opaque plastic tube. The tube has a screw cap with a nozzle inside. All the details such as ingredients and expiry date are mentioned on the outer box. The product is gel-like consistency and is lightweight and easy to apply on the skin. Now friends, I know there is a question arising in your mind, okay, what is oxybenzone and OMC? So friends, oxybenzone and octyl methoxynitrate OMC are commonly used chemical agents in sunscreen. They penetrate deep into the skin and trigger allergic reactions, hormonal imbalances and make the skin sensitive, leading to acne and breakouts. And studies also shown that risk of skin cancer and breast cancer with the use of sunscreens that contain oxybenzone. Friends, I hope now you are clear about both the terms what I have spoken about. Friends, as you can see, the product claims that it does not get absorbed into skin. It's ultra light formulation and is not irritant and suitable to oily acne prone skin. It provides a matte look and is comfortable to wear. Advanced sun shield filters provide 6-hour long protection from harmful UVA and UVB rays with PA triple protection. So let's see. Friends, you have to apply this sunscreen prior 20 minutes to sun exposure. Repeat every 6 hours and after swimming or heavy sweating. Apply liberally on clean face, neck or any other sun exposed area. The product retails for 460 rupees and you can buy it from the link given in the description box. You can see the ingredients are mentioned on the outer box. Friends, I would like to mention that it's my second tube, then I am sharing my experience with you all. Friends, me and my bhabhi, we both have been using this product from quite long time. Mine skin is dry while her is combination and we both sweat a lot. Whichever sunscreen we used gives sweating and rashes consequently. Then I purchased this requill sunscreen lotion and me and my bhabhi started using it every day. Every day we apply the sunscreen lotion before 20 minutes to sun exposure. We can see that we sweat very less this summer season, but I feel my dry skin sweat quite more than her. Frankly speaking, sunscreens never worked for me, but still I was like it might work. So I started using it by taking half a coin-sized amount of the product and dotting it all over my face. I started massaging the cream gently and noticed that it initially leaves a bit of white cast on my dry skin, but after few seconds of massage it was all settled and looked completely fine. There was no awkward shine or white cast. I noticed that it didn't make my skin greasy or oily at all even after all hours of application. While on the other hand, on my bhabhi's combination skin, it gives a matte finish and works as a primer too. Gives long time protection against both the sun rays. I and she didn't notice any tan on her skin. The lotion moisturizes and hydrates her skin well. She told that her skin feels quite comfortable and not a single breakouts I had seen. Overall, we both are quite happy with it, and that's why we repurchased it as finished the current one. Now time for my final verdict for this sunscreen lotion. Strongly recommend to those who are looking for a good SPF for oily acne prone skin, and even sensitive skin people too can try this, as it has no such fragrance and hence no issue of getting rashes or breakouts. If you have dry skin, apply your regular moisturizer before applying the lotion. In fact, it is suitable for all skin types, even for dry skin, as it is neither too matte nor heavy or greasy at all. I personally liked it because of its benefits of being ultra light matte finish, non-comedogenic, paraben free, light to wear, non-greasy, non-sticky, provides matte finish, does not clog pores, doesn't get absorbed into the skin. It didn't cause any breakouts or pimples and worked perfectly fine with acne prone skin. Well friends, this was it for today. I hope you people have found this video useful and will appreciate my effort by liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on this video and checking out my more videos. Thank you. Please do like, subscribe, share, comment on my channel.